We're at Brandon Harley. I got my CVO. We're gonna do a 131 kit. We just took off the old motor, the 117. It's got like 800 miles on it, and now we're gonna do the 131 kit. So we're doing 131 kit.
131 kit.
All Screaming Eagle.
Yep.
Across the board.
Yep.
And we're doing Wilbers.
Wilbers, Reinhardt's,
the bars.
All the good stuff.
I don't know what else we can do after that, really.
We got all kinds we can do, buddy.
We're gonna go check it out. All right. Look at all these bikes, man. What's up, man?
Hey, what's going on?
How's life treating you? Good, man. Good.
Getting rolling here.
It's Derek. Derek's the man.
Oh man.
Yeah. We're doing it. We put it on video for you. We want everybody to see it.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah. Derek's the only one touches my bike. The only one. He's the first one to touch it. Now, if anything messes up, I can just blame him.
That's right. I'm easy to find.
Cool, man. So what's next?
Yeah. Pulling the cam bearing out. Put the new high performance cam bearing in there, and yeah.
Man, that's awesome.
Yeah.
That is so cool.
Get to see all your old parts. Stock cam.
We got the Wilbers suspension that we put on, which, by the way, you said it was.
I mean, it's the best riding Harley Davidson I've ever ridden. I mean, to be 100% honest. I mean,
You hear that? Do you hear that?
I've ridden a lot of. We've installed a lot of aftermarket suspension, and I mean, it doesn't compare.
Oof,
to be honest.
just like that. So first one, I did a lot of research, man. You know, whenever I went with Wilbers, I mean, it's not cheap.
No,
but
by any means, but I mean.
And the cool thing is that you don't have to like set it up. You just 2 up, 1 up, doesn't matter. You just jump on it and go. That was the biggest thing.
How was it right out of the box?
Man, it was amazing.
It was right there.
Yeah, so
it was
like
right on the money. You set the sag.
Yep.
It was there.
The sag was already set because I gave them my weight, so they already knew the calculations, I presume, and set it for us, which was cool.
Yep.
But double checking it was great. And I mean, literally, it was. I mean, I've hit potholes, man, 8-inch. You know, not seeing. I mean, just it's like they're not even there. We got. I don't even know. Handlebars were however much. I think. How much they usually run? Like.
I have no idea.
With install and everything, I got probably $8 grand. I got the full tour pack. Plus, we got the 131 kit, which is going to be probably another $8 grand, something like that, all in. So we're gonna have. This is gonna be a $70,000 motorcycle.
Woo!
Yeah, it's gonna be a $70,000 motorcycle, bro.
Yep. It'd be a sweet ride then.
Until we decide, I don't know if we're gonna do a fat tire in the front.
Until we do the front tire.
Yeah, we might do a fat tire in the front. All right, man. Well, I'm excited. I appreciate it, Derek. You the man. Appreciate it every time. Awesome. Check this out over here. All right, brother. This is the other Wilbur side. There's no shock. It's just like the reservoir. Once we get past our, close to our 2-year warranty, then we're gonna start doing some fun stuff.
Cool.
Because I think we're gonna go to Cyclorama 512.
There's some crazy stuff out there.
Yeah, it's gonna be. I can't wait till that time comes. 'Cause then it's gonna be fun. All right, brother.
Take care, guys.
I'll see you, man.